Hi, Janet Valenza here. I've been thinking about some of the conversations I've had with clients recently, and we're heading into the season of summer vacations and travel, and people ask me about packing. And packing really is a subset of having your entire wardrobe with a strategy. So having a strategy for efficiency and effectiveness in how you dress, and packing is a subset of that. So if you have your whole wardrobe right, packing becomes easier. And if you just try to pack right and you don't have your wardrobe right, it's like addressing the symptom without addressing the problem. So I do have a tip for you. Start with a fantastic, great fitting, versatile, functional second layer, like a jacket, a blazer, a sweater, a shirt jacket, because you can build around that both in your wardrobe and for packing. That's my tip for today. See you next time. Bye.